Hello, and welcome to Item Tutorials. In this segment, we'll show you how to efficiently complete a putback task from start to finish. As a warehouse worker, you'll receive a putback task. First, open the putback task list and select the task you want to work on. This will take you to the task home page. Then, press the Start Putting Back button to begin the task, and remember to make sure you are on the work page. Use the filter to sort items to put back by pallet, and then select a pallet. Next, press Start Putback from the list. At this point, you may move from the staging or shipping area to the putback location. Scan the putback location and pallet. Select a putback option from the drop-down menu. Input the quantity and tap Submit. If serial number scanning is required for an item, follow the instructions to scan all serial numbers or SNs. Once you have scanned all necessary SNs for the task, you may tap Submit. Repeat the previous steps to put back all items. Once done, go back to the task homepage and close the task to mark it as finished. Congratulations and thank you for watching Item Tutorials.